Welcome students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Now today we are going to study your computer book lesson 1 Computer and Network.
Network. You will learn recap, more on hardware and software, different types of computer. A computer consists of both hardware and software. It can be divided into two types. They are standalone computers and network computers. A computer is a machine and it works on electricity. It has lots of uses and advantages. We can use a computer to write letters, draw pictures, do numerical calculations, play games, listen to music, watch movies, etc. The advantages of a computer are it doesn't get tired, it doesn't forget, it doesn't make mistakes, it does a variety of work, and it has a large memory. The different parts of the computer are keyboard, CPU, and monitor. A computer works under the IPO cycle. It takes data from the user, processes it, and gives an output. Computer parts such as keyboard, mouse, CPU, monitor, and printer are called hardware. You can see and touch hardware. In addition to hardware, a computer has software too. A set of instructions given to the computer to do a specific task is called software. You cannot touch software. Computer needs both hardware and software to work. The memory of the computer is located in the CPU. RAM and ROM are primary storage devices. RAM is a temporary memory, whereas ROM is permanent. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. ROM stands for Read-Only Memory. Startup instructions are stored in the ROM. Hard disk, CD, DVD, and pen drive are common types of secondary storage devices. A hard disk may have several partitions. When we right-click the drive name and select Properties, we can find out about the type of drive and its capacity. ROM stands for Read-Only Memory. Startup instructions are stored in the ROM. Hard disk, CD, DVD, and pen drive are common types of secondary storage devices. A hard disk may have several partitions. When we right-click the drive name and select Properties, we can find out about the type of drive and its capacity. 1 bit is the smallest unit of measurement of data. To store one character, computer needs 1 byte of space. Higher units are KB, kilobytes, MB, megabytes, GB, gigabytes, and TB, terabytes. More on hardware and software. As you know, a computer consists of both hardware and software. If a mobile phone is hardware, then the applications such as games inside the mobile phone are software. Hardware. You have learned that the hardware is divided into 3 types. They are input devices, example, keyboard, mouse. Processing devices, example, CPU. And output devices, example, monitor, printer. More on input devices. Now, you are going to learn about some more input devices. Joystick. A joystick is an input device used in some games and machines. A user can change the direction in a joystick and the computer will sense it. Microphone. A microphone accepts sound as input. If somebody speaks or plays an instrument, the microphone accepts this sound as input and sends it to the computer. Webcam. A webcam, short form for web camera, captures an image and sends it to the computer. Useful when speaking with any person on a computer, as you can also see the other person through the webcam while talking. Scanner. A scanner is used to input paper documents or photos into the computer. They are typically scanned as images like pictures and stored as per our requirement. MICR. MICR stands for Magnetic Ink Character Recognition. This device is mainly used in banks. Bank checks or DDs have some code written in a special type of ink. MICR is used to detect the code to verify the genuineness of the document. Camera. A digital camera is also an input device, as it is used to transfer photos to the computer. Unlike an ordinary camera, it doesn't use film. BCR. The abbreviation of BCR is barcode reader. BCR is used to read the code available on any product manufactured in a company. The barcode stores the complete information of a product, such as its name, price, size, color, ingredients, etc. More on output devices. Monitor. Now, you are going to learn about some more output devices. You know that a monitor is an output device. The output of the computer is seen on the monitor. It comes in many sizes depending on a user's need. Slowly, the CRT monitors are getting obsolete and are being replaced by LCD or LED monitors. Printer. A printer helps us to print out a copy of the output. There are many types of printers. Each type has unique advantages and limitations. Dot matrix printer. A dot matrix printer is inexpensive and good at printing text, though a bit slow. This printer is capable of printing carbon copies from the original. Inkjet printer. An inkjet printer can print in both color and black and white. It can print text as well as pictures. This printer is less expensive than a laser printer. Laser printer. A laser printer prints high-quality text and pictures. It can print both color and black and white documents. Even though the printing speed is fast, the cost of the printer is relatively high. There are some more output devices such as film printers, photo printers, and plotters. Speakers. Just as a mic gives sound as input to a computer, speakers deliver sound as output. Using a speaker, one can listen to music or enjoy a movie or cartoon sound at high volume. Software. Software can be classified into three types. They are system software, application software, and utility software. System software. System software is designed to deal directly with hardware. An operating system is an example of system software. The operating system coordinates with several hardware units and users. Windows and Linux are examples of operating system software. If your computer is a car, then the operating system is the driver of the car. As you are aware, a car cannot move without a driver. Without an operating system, your computer won't work. When you switch on your computer system, the operating system software is loaded onto the memory. Then the desktop is displayed for you to start working on it. This process is known as booting. Application software. Application software is developed for specific type of jobs. MS Word is an example of application software. There are several applications made for certain types of work utility software. These are commonly used in banks, system software, and application software, factories, universities, etc. Helps us to load, start, and run the system to do all the basic functions while operating it, whereas the utility software is used to regularly maintain the system so that it is free from errors and deterioration in performance. Computer and network. You share your food, snacks, or toys with your friends or family, don't you? You do it because of the good or cordial relationship you have with them. Similarly, a computer can also be allowed to share its files or folders with another computer, provided both the computers are part of one network. Therefore, based on a computer's connection with other computers, it can be categorized as a standalone computer or a network computer. Standalone computer. A computer which is not part of any network and hence not connected with other computers is called a standalone computer. Standalone computers are mainly found in homes and small offices. Network computer. A computer which is part of a network to which other computers are also connected is called a network computer. A network computer is used to share information or resources with other computers that are connected to it. There are two types of network. They are local area network and wide area network. Computers connected to each other in a small area, such as a building, form a local area network. Such a network is connected through wires or cables. An example of local area network is your computer lab, provided all your computers are connected to each other. Those computers which are connected to each other, irrespective of their location, are said to form a wide area network. They are connected through satellite and telephone lines. The internet is one of the best examples of wide area network. Every network consists of a main computer that is more powerful than the others in the network and has all the information and resources. The remaining computers in the network will depend on this computer. This main computer in a network is known as the server. The other computers are called workstations. Servers are generally protected from unauthorized entry with a username and a password.
Dear student, I hope you all have understood the topic. Now today your homework is Computer Workbook, page number 4 to 9. Thank you for watching this video. Bye-bye.